Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change coolant in Audi Q7 Easy Guide. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is cool and secure, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid accidents. Place a drain pan under the radiator and locate the drain plug and upper radiator hose. Have fresh coolant ready and confirm the correct type for your Audi Q7 before proceeding with the draining step. Warm up your feet and take it steady as you drain the coolant. This step sets the tone for the whole job. With the engine cooled and safety gear on, open the drain plug and let the old coolant run fully into a suitable container. Inspect flow for debris and consider flushing with distilled water if residues persist. Reinstall plugs and hoses tightly to prevent leaks before moving to the refill stage. Refilling and bleeding is where patience pays off, so take a calm approach. Slowly add the correct Audi-approved coolant while watching for air bubbles, then run the engine with the heater on to help purge trapped air. Squeeze hoses gently to encourage flow and recheck coolant levels once the system is warm and stable. Finish by tightening caps and cleaning up spills, then verify there are no leaks on a short drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.